Online tool, Unix time converter. Great tool for anyone looking to convert back and forth between regular time and Unix time. Let's put in some values. Seconds, day, let's put in 31 and 12th month, 2022. Now we hit convert Unix time and we get to see the actual Unix time go. Now if that's what you have and you're looking to see the actual time, put that Unix time code in there, convert to day, preparing result, and you find out the exact date and time. Good little tool. For more tools that can save you time, please visit eternideck.com/online-tool.